Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's 11 o'clock, I got a late start, lollygagged around, had breakfast. I've still got some errands to do in town, and then I'm not going to backtrack all the way. I'm going to head up a road back towards the trail, and I'll backtrack a little bit, and then I'll continue on. I managed to get that bolt on, but in the process, I loosened off this bolt, and now, I guess because of the tension, it won't go back in. So I'm just hoping it holds in there based on the pressure of the rack on it, and I'll have to effect these repairs when I get home. Other than the luggage racks being bent a little bit, everything else seems to be okay. I still got pressure in the tire, so flat fixed. All right, I'm gonna get these errands done and then we'll get back on the trail. Picked up some of that slime to throw in the tire, and I forgot to pick up a new ratchet strap because I broke one of my ratchet straps trying to get that frame back together. So this town, McCall, is like a resort town. It's got a lake, so everyone comes to party on the lake. Apparently there's 3 ski hills around, so it's quite the tourist hub. Small local population, large tourist population. Alright, I got 50k or so, and then we'll be back on the trail. So my odometer now is not reading all of a sudden how fast I'm going. There's always something. We hit the end of the pavement and we're back on the dirt road. And I've lost an hour again. I'm an hour ahead. I'm sure it's just the sensor that is not working for my mileage, but Maps Me is telling me how fast I'm going, but I'm not sure if it's accurate. Okay, I've reached Warm Summit after a long, grueling climb, and whoops. Let's see if I picked the right route out of all the choices I have. It's chilly, 11 degrees. This is a steep, twisty down with steep drop-offs to the side, so it's unnerving. I'm lucky to get up to 30 kilometers an hour based on Maps Me. I also have to worry about somebody coming the other way, even though I want to stay to the left. Alright, stopped in this lovely spot on the bridge for a snack. Quite a ways to go today. It's 12:30 or 1:30 based on which time zone I may be in. Since I have no cell service, my phone doesn't adjust, so who knows when I enter back into the saving an hour time zone. It's warmed up nicely, 20 degrees. Okay, 72 kilometers to Yellow Pine. Maybe I'll camp there, we'll see. It's a really steep, rocky road. And after yesterday's fiasco, I'm all panicked. Made it to Elk Summit. We've got 51 kilometers to go. If it's anything going down like it was going up, that is going to be slow going. Okay, we're at 9 degrees at the summit. I'm sure it'll be warmer down at the bottom, but it's not going to get too warm today. So far it hasn't been too bad, mostly been kind of like this. There's been some rocky bits, but the down has certainly been better than going up the other side. If it's like this the whole way, we'll get to Yellow Pine in no time. We are now 40 clicks away. Alright, I'm just pulling into Yellow Pine. So it's just after 4 or just after 3 if I'm in a new time zone. Get some fuel, relax a bit, and then find a place to settle down for the night. So the store guy said the best campground just down the road about 10K is the Ice Hole campground. Not to be mistaken with the other kind of hole you guys were thinking of. Nice little spot, not just one picnic table, 2 picnic tables. And a nice pad I can set myself up in. I'm going to set the tarp up tonight because it's supposed to rain maybe. Going to set myself up, have some dinner, and then that'll be about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.